Hello everyone. Now I am going to show you my own handmade gift for my friend because soon my friend's birthday and I want to give my like a unique gift for my friend, and let's go. And we must use, of course, scissors, stick, pencil and pen, like a bag, and some paper and different colors, and this and this. I don't know this name. It will be my first gift, own a handmade gift, and I tried to make better. And first we must cut our paper like a different shape, like a heart, like a circle. And first I decided to make a rose with the paper, and then it was difficult for me to make a rose, and then I decided to make another gift, and I decided to make a later paper. Again, we must cut our paper like this, and you stick this. It must be like this. And we use red paper. We must make hearts, the little hearts. Must draw a picture in the shape a half heart, like this. Now we cut this paper. We must measure the length of heart. Yes. Now we need to get this drawing form, and we use this instrument. We hook it. Now I want to write "I love you, my dear friend" inside. I love you, and here so much, and then I will decorate the pencil with a pen. I will hearts, balloons, and different shape. Finish my work, but I would say it was not super, but I tried, and now this like this, and we must open. I draw like a little heart, and we must open, and I love you so much. That's all.